Alright guys, welcome again to this video. As promised earlier this morning, I would like to go through two main things. One is the registration, and two, the course locations or the lessons locations. I think it is important that we clarify this right now. So let's start from the registration process. So actually what happens is that uh, I ask you quite late to go on this website, which is lcc.lancecourse.com, and just register by using this link. So the registration process is actually a short thing, your first, last name, email, and password. And at this point, you might ask yourself why the password. Some people might be suspicious. Isn't this phishing or something? Yeah, there's nothing fishy about that. And the reason of the registration is one. Um, in case you want to have your certificate, uh, the information you are providing right now is going to be used on the certificate. It's like you actually registering into a school, so it is important that we get at least this basic information on you. So it is important to that will be used on your certificate. And the second thing is that, and that brings us to the second matter, as a matter of fact, second thing again, is that we will be taking the course on lancecourse.com. So here we have a menu called courses. So that's where you are going to find the course. And the course is actually already added at this point we are speaking, but not with the chapters you are going to take from tomorrow. All the details on this course right now are just additional information to the course that you might need. So you will be coming here. Now, this is not a challenge. Even if you are not signed in on this website, you can still take the course. But where it becomes tricky is the quizzes. So if you go to the course, by the way, if you don't want these adverts, you should sign in. So if you go to the course, you will see that, let me take this part for example. So as I'm browsing, I think at the beginning here, you can see somewhere here. So from chapter to chapter, you might meet something like this, which says quiz ahead. So it means that this particular chapter has a quiz that you must take. So under it, you will see the button. That's after reading the lesson, you should see the button that allows you to take the quiz on that particular lesson. Sorry. So if you click on take the quiz, it should take you to the quiz page, and this is where it becomes interesting. If you click your answers, you see it will tell you you must sign in before. So anytime you try, it will tell you must sign in before taking any quiz. So that's why I ask you to register. So by actually registering here, not only you are showing your participation to the bootcamp, but you are also creating an account on Lance Course. It's the same. The proof, if you go to sign up here, you will see that it is the same form which requires your email, first name, last name, and password, right? So I didn't want to distract you by telling you come here and do this. So that's why I put it the same form right on the bootcamp's web page. So you could decide not to register from here, but rather come on lancecourse.com and then register from this side. It is all the same. The next thing you need to note when you are registering is that after you submit the registration form, it will send you an email asking you to confirm that the email is correct. If you don't confirm, it will not allow you to sign in. So it is important to make sure you get that email and you confirm. Check your spams, your update folders, and whatever possible, and if to find that email, and then click on the confirm button. Once you confirm, you can be able now to come back and sign in. So let's summarize that. One, you create an account in order to be able to take part of the partake in the course, to be able to take quizzes, and also to have your details for your certificate. So these are the three main reasons why it is important for you to register. So if once you are registered, you can just sign in. So in my case, I can sign in with my username and then do password. So for some of you who just set some random password here when you are doing this. If you had just set some random password and couldn't remember what exactly you typed, so to sign in you can just do forgot my password and then reset the password. So that's one good possibility. So here, let me enter my password. My password is longer than that. So once you enter your password, you can also tick remember me for 2 weeks. That's if you don't want to always be entering your username and password every time there's you are coming on the site. And let me remind you, once you sign in, the advert will disappear. And let me even come back on the sign up page for you to see. So you can see here some of the advantages of signing up too. So in addition to having your details for your bootcamp certificate and you being able to take your quizzes, but there are these advantages you can also have from this website. So for our content that is there so far and feature content. So let me go back to the sign in. Then you enter your username or your email. In my case, I use a username, so you can sign in with both your username or password. So I enter my password, and then I ask the website to keep me for 2 weeks at least. So every time you sign in, it will kind of extend that time and keep you signed in, and you don't have to worry. So once you sign in your case, you should see dashboard, account, description. And for those who are on mobile devices, this is an important thing too. If you visit it from a mobile device, you might see it like this. So you might see it this way. You, in your case, you won't see the manage menu, which is here. But in my case, I see it. So you might see this. So ignore the subscription part. Don't worry about that. Care about the account part where you can now edit your information if you want. So that's the core thing. So once you are signing on the phone, that's what it will look like. And then on the desktop, it will look like something like this. So from that moment, you can decide to go through the website and browse whatever you want. We have the courses, the how-tos, and the blog. So this we have some few content that might help you in so many other things. So you are free to go through it. But what we are interested in is the courses menu. So for the desktop users, it is obvious the course menu is right here. That's where you are supposed to be going every time there's a new course. So you can, if you are on a mobile device, it will, to access the course menu, you come on the right upper corner here. There are some 3 vertical dots, and you click on them. It will open up the menu, and you can still see the courses here. So by clicking on the courses, it will load the courses page, and here you can see the courses. And here is our course, the course we are interested in for this particular program. So for the desktop users as well, once you click on courses, it will take you to this particular page as well. So all you have to do is click on this course you see here, which is Web Apps Development Essential. That's the title of our course for this Lance Code and Create session. So you click on this course and you have some details, a summary of the course and so on. And here you can see the course curriculum. So far you can see it has only introduction to web development. So basically what will happen here is that from time to time, as we are publishing the week one, you will have week one added that will look like something like this below here. And then after week one, under week one, you see day one, introduction to web development and HTML. You see that come under it. And then, and as time goes, you see that the chapters will be added. So every day when I say the new course is released, is for you to come here, click on courses, click on the course, web development, app development essentials, then check the new chapter that is added. Or if you don't want to do that, you can start the course right here. And once you start the course, you will see at the right side, the new chapter will be added right below these existing chapters. So, and you can now go ahead, take your time and read. So, this one, in this area here, you might have the video on top here and then the text below. So for now, these chapters don't have video. videos, so it is only plain text. So there are some chapters you see maybe plain text, some might have videos, and this is how you can access the course on the website lancecourse.com. So I will share the link to this course, so the link will come here straight and allow you to start visiting the site anytime, visiting the course anytime there's any chapter released. So in addition to that, you will also have our YouTube channel. The videos will be posted on the YouTube channel, only videos. So for the transcript, only people who are on the users here can have the transcript. We cannot add transcript on YouTube, that's too bulky. So, and videos too, we cannot host them on the website, that will be too heavy. So we prefer to delegate that to YouTube to host the videos for us. So the YouTube channel is youtube.com / I think at Lance Course. So that's the link. I will also share that with you right now. So when you visit it, you will see the channel, and you can see here I've started the playlist of the channel. The recent videos are published in the playlist. So you can click on playlist here, and you will see the various playlists, and you can see the playlist called Lance Code and Create. So all the videos will be published under this playlist, and you can watch them as anytime you wish. So so far that's it. And notice you can also decide to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So once you subscribe, you can decide to just click the notification bell. I don't have it. I think there's a plugin I'm using that's preventing me from seeing it, and I'm also myself on my channel, so I cannot see the subscription button. So that makes sense. So you can subscribe and click on the notification bell, and once we publish a new video, YouTube will be in charge of sending you the notification and tell you, yeah, there's a new video. So that's if you don't want to go on the website and watch it there, you can just decide to watch it on YouTube. So that's it with the content location, the registration. Now, when it comes to the lives, so at the end of the week, at the end of every week, we are going to have a live where I will be building a project. You guys will also be following, asking questions, seeing how it will be, and that will be a project that will summarize whatever we would have learned throughout the week. So basically, that's the program. And after this video, the next video you receive from me is going to be your first course. So I'll share this video with you right now on YouTube, give you the link on the WhatsApp group, and give you the link to the website Lance Course and the course link, and give you the YouTube link. Probably I'll add the Facebook and Twitter links so that in case you want to be up to date, whatever we post, anything, you can have it also. You can have access to it. Do not hesitate to like, follow, or whatever you can do to all these things. It is helpful, right? It is helpful. And also, I would like to remind you that this program is supported by some sponsors that we will share with you soon, and yourself. So you can also decide at any moment, if you find the content useful to yourself, make a donation. We'll also have the details for these donations around. So whatever you see it in, you have the chance to do that. Kindly consider doing that. That's also going to be helpful to help us have some good internet connection for you. So thank you so much, and see you again tomorrow in the course.